In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder and upload files step by step in your file management system. Whether you're organizing your project files, personal documents, or any other digital content, this process will help you get everything in order quickly and efficiently. Let's start with the basics. Imagine you're on the main interface of your file management dashboard. The very first thing you need to do is locate the New button, which is usually situated at the top of the screen or within a prominent toolbar. Clicking on this button will give you a few options, and what you're interested in here is creating a new folder. Click on New Folder, and this will prompt you to enter a name for your directory. It's important to choose a name that reflects the contents you plan to store within, as this will help with accessibility and organization down the line. Once you've entered a name that suits the folder's purpose, confirm it, and just like that, your new folder is created. The next part is just as straightforward. Now that your folder is ready, you'll want to add some files or perhaps another folder within it. To do this, navigate back to the New button, but this time make sure you are inside the folder you've just created. You can do this by simply clicking on your folder, which opens it up. Once you're in, click New once more. Now this is where you can decide if you want to create another subfolder or if it's time to upload some files. Since we're focusing on uploading here, let's walk through that process. Once you've clicked New inside your folder and selected the option to upload, you'll be prompted to choose the files or folder you wish to add from your computer or device. This is usually done via a dialog box that allows you to browse through your device's storage. Find the files or folders you want to upload, select them, and then confirm your choice. It's worth noting that if you're uploading a large folder or numerous files at once, this process might take a bit longer. A progress bar might guide you on how much time remains, so just be patient if you're dealing with larger amounts of data. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, you've not only successfully created a new folder, but also organized it with files ready for access anytime you need them. Keeping your digital space organized can save you a lot of time, so it's a good habit to get into. Remember, a little bit of organization today can prevent a lot of hassle in the future. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.